Alma Asinobi's record-breaking journey highlights global passport inequality. In March 2025, Nigerian travel content creator Alma Asinobi embarked on a daring quest to break the Guinness World Record for the fastest time to visit all 7 continents. While her attempt concluded without surpassing the existing record, her journey brought global attention to the challenges faced by travelers holding low-mobility passports, particularly those from developing nations. A journey beyond borders. At 26, Asinobi set out to beat the 64-hour record held by American traveler Johnny Cruz Buckingham. Her meticulously planned route began in Antarctica on March 15, 2025, and was designed to traverse South America, North America, Europe, Africa, Asia, and Oceania. Despite her efforts, unforeseen visa complications and flight delays extended her journey to 71 hours and 26 minutes, falling short of the record. One significant hurdle occurred in Dubai, where Asinobi was denied boarding for her flight to Perth, Australia, due to last-minute visa verification issues. This incident underscored the bureaucratic obstacles that travelers from countries with less powerful passports often face. Spotlight on passport privilege. Asinobi's experience sheds light on passport privilege, a term describing the disparities in travel freedom based on one's nationality. According to the Henley Passport Index, the Nigerian passport ranks 92nd out of 102, granting its holders visa-free or visa-on-arrival access to only 46 destinations. In contrast, passports from countries like Japan or Germany offer access to over 190 destinations without prior visas. Throughout her journey, Asinobi faced extensive visa application processes, additional security checks, and limited travel options, all of which contributed to delays and logistical challenges. These experiences highlight the systemic barriers that many travelers from the global south encounter, affecting not only leisure travel but also opportunities for education, employment, and family reunification. Advocacy through experience beyond. Attempting to set a world record, Asinobi aimed to raise awareness about the inequities in global mobility. She documented her journey on social media, sharing real-time updates and reflections to her audience of over 200,000 followers. Her candid accounts resonated with many who have faced similar challenges, sparking conversations about the need for more equitable travel policies. In addition to her primary goal, Asinobi sought to achieve another Guinness World Record for the most signatures on a single piece of travel memorabilia. Carrying a Nigerian flag throughout her journey, she collected over 600 signatures from individuals she met along the way, symbolizing unity and shared experiences across cultures. Asinobi's journey has ignited discussions about the broader implications of passport inequality. She advocates for improved diplomatic relations and visa policies that consider the aspirations and rights of travelers from developing nations. Her story serves as a call to action for governments and international organizations to address the systemic barriers that hinder global mobility. In her own words, Asinobi emphasizes the importance of perseverance. The trip itself is a victory, because historically traveling as a Black woman has an additional layer of complexity. Women have done a lot of big things, but you hardly find women doing audacious things without any pushback. Her journey stands as a testament to resilience and the ongoing fight for equal access to the world. Want to become a travel content creator or launch your own channel? You don't need 1 million views or thousands of subscribers to start earning right away. If you're dreaming of sharing your travel stories and getting paid to do it, but don't know where to begin, let's chat. Book a one-on-one clarity call now and get paired with an experienced team lead to guide you every step of the way. Check the description box for the call purchase link.